I'm going to make a super simple pasta using one of my favorite root veg, beets. I know a lot of controversy around beets. I'm always trying to use beets to win my family over to the beet side. I love them. My family are totally not fans yet, but they're beginning to try them in different things that I've used beets for. But I'm going to make a sauce with these beets and I think they will like it. So anyway, I have 9 ounces of beets. I cooked these in a pressure cooker, but you know, you can buy them already made. You can roast them in the oven. It took like 8 minutes in my pressure cooker, but they're going into my trusty, handy food processor here. It makes very short work of this sauce, but you can also just use a blender if you want to. I'm going to use 1 cayenne pepper, and I'm just gonna kind of cut this up loosely because the food processor is gonna do the rest of the work. And you can use chili to your liking, to your heat level. I think 1 will probably do us. We're not chili heads around here, but we do like a little heat. I'm gonna do 2 cloves of garlic in here, which should be pretty nice. Make the sauce very garlicky and tasty. Yum. And then I want a healthy pinch of salt. And I'm going to start with just a drizzle of olive oil, and will depend on the moisture level of my beets here. But then I just need to give these a quick whir and see how it comes together. All right, I just want to give it a quick taste to see if it needs more salt or anything. I'm kind of brave wearing a white shirt and using red beets. Oh, that's good and really garlicky too. This tastes very delicious already. So I've already cooked my rotini. I'm using a chickpea rotini just so I can keep it gluten-free, and we've got a lovely light beet sauce. And the pasta's still warm. The beet sauce is just a little tepid. I didn't cook the beets right before I made this, but the pasta will heat up the sauce. Oh, that's pretty. It's like this gorgeous pink color. Love it, love it. All right, then just give it a little toss. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of basil in here. I think that's gonna be a very nice addition. Pasta and basil always go so well together. And I'm just giving it a little tear. And then I'm gonna give it a little taste. All right, it's really pretty. That's so delicious, so fresh. It's gorgeous. I can taste the kick of pepper. I might have actually wanted to put 2 in there. So, your choice, but this is so good. Give it a try. I think I can win my family over to the beet side with this recipe. You can't beat it, huh?